Hi, I'm Bill Kose from Blanchard Valley Health System. I'm out here at Hancock Public Health to give you an update on our COVID pandemic. We've had 28 confirmed cases, 8 probables, and we've had 7 hospitalized. First, just remember, we still have a very virulent virus that's out there that's very contagious and causing lots of problems, and that hasn't changed. One of the things that I try to remind people until we get to 60% of the population of either have immunity or we find a vaccination, that we're going to continue and make sure that it's important that everyone wear masks, wash their hands, socially distance. All of those things continue to be really important as we fight this in our community. We've done well here. Accolades to our community for all the help that we've had and what that they've taken care of. As far as the hospital, we're looking about opening up a little bit. We'd like to start doing some elective surgeries. Our surgeons have been reviewing the cases that they've had as to who's appropriate. We really wait for the governor to give us the final word as to what we do. We've all talked about maybe that this will occur the 1st of May. I think it's going to be a little bit later than that before we get to final approvals, but we are looking into that possibility. We continue to screen all visitors that come in. I don't think that's going to change for a while. We want to make sure you don't have a temperature, that you don't give that COVID to someone, healthcare workers, or to a patient, and likewise, we don't want individuals to be involved in obtaining an infection. So we have 2 entrances to the hospital. One's in the emergency room, one's in the pavilion. I don't see that changing for any period of time. But as I said, we are looking about doing elective procedures. There's also several things that have been going on in Ohio. I mentioned the governor. Also here in Findlay, we want to make sure we continue our community connection, light it up in blue with our partnership with Marathon Petroleum. Post things to hashtag Hancock County Strong. Pictures of yourself, highlights of what you're doing in blue as we thank all of our healthcare workers. Really, there's a lot of thanks to be given to all the frontline people that are working in emergency response as well as in grocery stores and all of the different things that we've continued to benefit from. Also remember the Hancock County Call Center, 419-425-9999, and the testing triage in Findlay. We continue to do that at the hospital. If you have any questions, 419-423-7890. You can get information from CDC. We have our public websites. ODH has a website, as well as what we're doing here in Findlay. So let me remind you in final, it's still important to social distance, wear masks in public. I think that's really important. Wash your hands, do the same thing that we started with what seems like a long time ago, but was about 2 months ago, of what you can do to take care of yourself and to take care of other individuals.